The Premier Kids Awards, organized by Affairs Exhibitions and Media, which is Asia's leading education show organizer. Premier Kids Awards is a prestigious event that celebrates and honors the remarkable achievements of young talents across various domains. This platform is dedicated to recognizing the creativity, intelligence, and hard work of children and their parents with a mission to inspire and encourage the next generation. The awards bring together young prodigies, their families, and industry experts in a grand ceremony that highlights the potential and promise of today's youth.
My name is Pratibha. I am the event director here at the Premier Show Kids Awards. It was so overwhelming to see so many kids at such young age with flash with so much of creativity. Huge note of appreciation for the parents and for the grandparents and the entire family, जिनकी वजह से ये बच्चे आज इतने talented है कि इतनी कम एज में they have come here and they have the spirit to showcase their talents. I doubt कि इनके एज में हम इतने confident थे. And I think Premier Kids Show Awards is a very amazing step in developing kids' confidence. So when parents come here, they not only explore the schools, best schools for their kids, we also giving a platform for the kids. Okay? From here only, the budding talent can have a feel of what a stage is like and how to perform it. So by the time they grow up, I don't think उनको कोई भी performance anxiety होगी, and I think they're going to rock any stage they're going to get in future. So thank you so much, Premier Kids Awards. Thank you so much, Vivek sir from Affairs team and Ritu ma'am. It was an amazing show, and we all had a blast. Thank you so much. Hi, my name is Simran. So I'm a teacher and it's been more than 10 years I'm into teaching. Currently I'm teaching English in Shikshankar School, and I think it's an amazing experience coming here and anchoring this show, and I would appreciate Pratibha who has been a parent, and I think I'm glad I've got this opportunity here. I mean, it's an amazing platform where all the parents can come under one roof and they can explore various schools. Even my child who is 2.5 years old, I'm still skeptical, which school to look for him. So I think here I've got an opportunity to explore all the schools under one roof, and I've also got an opportunity to interact with them. Apart from that, I believe these awards, I mean, though we always say there's no competition, but even if a child comes on stage to perform and that confidence and that creativity which they can come and share with the audience, so I think that's amazing. So yeah, it was a great event for me also, so thank you.
So I'm Nidhi Siddharth Khurana, founder of Enterprising Divas Community for Women. I'm here at Premier Kids Awards. An amazing show. The kids are so talented, super talented, I must say. And congratulations to the parents also, because बिना पेरेंट्स के एफर्ट के बच्चे इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर सकते हैं. The show has been beautifully organized and well curated. All the best and congratulations to the team once again. Premier Star Awards has been beautifully organized, and really look forward for more such upcoming events by them, which really bring forward the talent in the kids. Because बच्चे जो है यहाँ पे उन्होंने बहुत social topics के ऊपर भी performance दी, which is really good because it is in a way educating the kids and building their confidence.
I've been coming to the exhibition by Vivek Shukla over here, Affairs, for a long time, and I always find it very well done. It's got the right clientele, the parents are happy, the stall people are happy, and now that he started this new initiative of facilitating children and looking at their talent, I think it's wonderful. It's a wonderful event.
The event Premier Kids, there was a school exhibition. It had been very good and very encouraging. So especially I felt very good where kids were getting motivation from the parents, from the teachers, and overall it has been a good experience. I am owner of Lux Palam Bihar, so we got the opportunity and we could come over here. We would like the parents and the teachers, whosoever had been a part of this event, to come over to Lux Palam Bihar. We would be delighted to welcome them. Thank you so much. हाँ जी, यस, ऐसे प्रोग्राम और होने चाहिए बिकॉज इससे हमारे बच्चों को और पेरेंट्स को काफी मोटिवेशन मिलती है. इनफैक्ट वी गेट टू नो that how many schools are there in Gurgaon. Being the parents of twins, where I am also looking and searching for the schools, I feel that this has been eye opener, and I could feel the insight of the school I could get into, and it would be easier for me to decide the school basis this events. Thank you so much.
तो अच्छा इवेंट था. इसमें क्या कहते हैं, बेस्ट पार्ट ये था काफी सारे स्कूल्स को एक साथ मिलने को मौका मिल गया और काफी सारे पता चला स्कूल्स के बारे में. और यहाँ पे जो बच्चों के साथ ये टैलेंट शो था ये भी काफी अच्छा था. बच्चों को अपने टैलेंट शो करने का मौका मिला, बच्चों का एक पब्लिक अपीयरेंस करने का मौका मिला, तो बहुत अच्छा लगा.
आज का प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छा था और ये बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है बच्चों के लिए. माय डॉटर इज 4 year old और मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम ये ज्वाइन किया है, बट डेफिनेटली मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम भी आऊंगी. और बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं बच्चों के लिए यहाँ पे. स्टेज शो है, प्ले जोन है और भी बहुत सारी क्राफ्ट एक्टिविटीज है विच इज वेरी गुड. और ये बहुत इंकरेजिंग है पेरेंट्स के लिए भी और बच्चों के लिए भी. What about this program? I like it so much. It's like it's a big confusion about the schools, where to go, what board I should put them into. This is a very good platform to know about everything. At least it can make us decide where to send us, and then we do know which are the best schools around here. So thank you for doing all this. Hi, I'm Monica and she is my daughter Ashika. I'm very happy to be here. It's a lovely platform for all our kids and we are very mesmerized with I'm very mesmerized with her performance. She sings 3 beautiful songs and I'm very happy with the Sacred Step School and the teacher Lata ma'am. She is very cooperating and I love to be the part of this thing again and again next year also. Hi, Shilpa here, and my daughter taken part in dance performance, and the Premier Kids Award gave a big space to us also. The Sacred Step School is very good. Their management and they gave her opportunity to perform here. Thank you.
तो ये उसके साथ साथ अब अपने पाँव पे भी खड़े हो जाएंगे और अपने परिवार को भी सपोर्ट करेंगे.
Yeah, hi, I'm Kanchan Sharma, head of Day Schools, Gurugram, Sector 49. Day Schools is the premier preschool, first of its kind, coming in collaboration with Day Schools Finland, which is considered to be the best in the world. Day Schools Finland is the offshoot of University of Helsinki, and the whole entire curriculum is research-based and with play at the core. So we are thinking that this school is going to bring up the children in early childhood and is going to bring a paradigm shift in the field of early childhood education in India. I'm a passionate early childhood educator with an experience of 4 decades, but I think after going through the HACE curriculum from Finland, it is even a benchmark above. So we are very excited that such a curriculum is coming and we are offering to the young minds, where we are going to fuel their creativity, their curiosity through active participation and following the sustainable way of living and learning not confined to 4 walls but learning everywhere and all the time. The environment, as we know, is so important. It has to be conducive for the early childhood development, because 90% of the brain is happening during the first 7 years of a child's age. And considering that this environment is so conducive, and it is we are following the color psychology, where we were not very well informed that bright colors causes overstimulation, and instead of doing the focused learning, the children are getting distracted. So getting inspired by the Nordic aesthetics, the entire school campus is designed with calming colors, soft colors, so that keeping in mind the accessibility and functionality. We also have a beautiful forest area in the school campus, which is going to offer through nature. So they are going to develop love for nature, which is ultimately going to lead them to the sustainable way of living, which is the hour of the need, as we are experiencing in today's world, that the entire globe is under the threat of global warming. And we want to instill that responsibility right from the early childhood.
Hello everyone, I'm Ritu Chopra. I head the entrepreneurship program for Startup U, which comes under the same umbrella of Affairs Education Private Limited. So basically, we work with children from idea to ideation stage. बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं जिनको नए नए आइडियाज आते हैं पर उनको पता नहीं होता कि हम कैसे उनको वो करें. तो Startup U is a program that helps them to go from an idea to an ideation stage. This program and this whole vertical is also under the umbrella of Affairs Education and Private Limited. So they really help us grow from children from a nursery to a area where they come up to a level where it is they can go into the colleges and we do big affairs and everything. So all these little information really helps them to come up in a good way. So ऐसे वाले प्रोग्राम्स बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है क्योंकि नर्सरी स्कूल एडमिशन से लेकर हायर स्कूल एडमिशन तक ये सब चीजें बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है छोटे बच्चों के लिए. कहाँ से राइट स्कूल, राइट बोर्ड, राइट एजुकेशन सिस्टम फॉलो करना है, ये सब होगा तभी वो आगे ठीक लेवल पे जाएंगे. तो ये सारा जो हम अफेयर्स एग्जीबिशन के थ्रू हम ये प्रोग्राम्स करते हैं, ये सारी चीजें अगर सब पेरेंट्स ठीक से अगर देखें तो उन लोगों के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और ये आगे जाके हर लेवल पे उनको हेल्प करती है. तो हम 18 महीने से भी स्टार्ट 18 प्लस, क्योंकि टॉडलर प्रोग्राम आजकल हर स्कूल्स में है. तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्कूल्स आए हुए हैं जो टॉडलर प्रोग्राम से शुरू होते हैं और हायर एजुकेशन तो फ्रॉम K to K-12 सारे एजुकेशन के लिए होता है. आज इस प्रोग्राम के बारे में क्या बताना चाहेंगे?
ये जो प्रीमियर किड्स अवार्ड्स है ये प्रीमियर स्कूल्स एग्जीबिशन का एक भाग है और आप जैसे देख रहे हैं कि ये एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां बच्चों को ज्यादा से ज्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है अपने टैलेंट को शोकेस करने की. और रही बात जब बच्चों की टैलेंट की शोकेस की आती है तो पेरेंट्स हमेशा उल्लास के साथ में आते हैं एक इस तरह की इवेंट में अटेंड करने. तो आज काफी मात्रा में बहुत सारे बच्चे और अपने पेरेंट्स ने अटेंड किया है. और प्रीमियर किड्स अवार्ड्स का जो हमारा मेन उद्देश्य ये रहता था कि आज विद चेंजिंग टाइम्स बच्चों की जो प्रतिभा है वो बढ़ती कैसी है, बढ़ती ऐसे है कि जब उनको दर्शाने की इस तरह की प्लेटफॉर्म मिलती है तो उनका टैलेंट भी निखरता है, वो स्किल्स भी सीखते हैं और साथ साथ में उनमें कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप होता है. तो सबसे खास बात प्रीमियर किड्स अवार्ड्स की है जो कि अफेयर्स एग्जीबिशन मीडिया, जो मैं उस कंपनी का CEO हूँ, ग्रुप CEO, एंड आई एम एक्सट्रीमली एक्साइटेड एंड डिलाइटेड to host this Premier Kids Awards Season 7 in Gurgaon at the Premier Schools Exhibition. And this exhibition after this अगले महीने 14 और 15 सितंबर को ये नोएडा में भी होने जा रहा है. थैंक यू.
और बच्चों को क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे जो अभी तक इससे नहीं जुड़े?
बच्चों के लिए मैसेज है कि किसी भी तरह का अगर इस तरह का प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है हमेशा घर से बाहर निकले, स्कूल से बाहर निकले, लोगों से मिले, अपने आप से इंटरेक्ट करे. ये जो होती है फ्यूचर स्किल्स जब आदमी एक्वायर कर लेता है तो आने वाले प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर में एक ही चीज काम आती है, फ्यूचर स्किल्स, जो कि होती है बेसिकली क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, डिजाइन थिंकिंग, कम्युनिकेशंस, कैसे कोलैबोरेट करे, कैसे अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करे. जिस बच्चों में ये प्रतिभा है यही प्रतिभा सबसे महत्वपूर्ण प्रतिभा होगी आने वाले समय में. बाकी पढ़ाई लिखाई तो देखिए गूगल से भी आप सीख सकते हैं, ChatGPT में भी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ये स्किल सेट्स आपको परिवार में भी जरूरत होगी, अपने बिजनेस करने में भी होगी, किसी कंपनी में आप काम भी करेंगे आगे चल के. तो ये स्किल्स के बिना आपकी जिंदगी कहीं ना कहीं अधूरी रहेगी. तो बच्चों को बहुत प्रोत्साहित करना चाहूंगा कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटी हो, उसमें वो इंटरेक्ट करे, सीखे, लोगों से मिले, बात करे, चाहे घर में दादाजी से बात करना हो या फादर से बात करना हो, अंकल से. जितना जिज्ञासु होंगे उतना अच्छा होगा.